Hi guys, this is Patricia from the Elizee law firm. Today we're discussing what's going on with immigration, especially the fact that the Trump administration has announced the end of the parole program. Last Friday, President Donald Trump confirmed his plans to revoke legal status for more than 530,000 immigrants from Cuba, Haiti, Nicaragua, and Venezuela. These immigrants came to the United States under a program called Humanitarian Parole, and their lives in the U.S. could change dramatically starting April 24th of 2025 due to this change in policy by the Trump administration. On Friday, Trump said that he would end the parole program, which means over 500,000 people could lose their legal rights to stay in the United States and to work. This could have a huge impact not only on immigrants here, but their families abroad. And this, according to Trump, is happening soon. He's only giving people a 30-day warning. Trump's campaign said that by April 24th, those under the CHNV parole program could be targeted for deportation and lose their protections unless they find another way to stay. The CHNV helped a reported 213,000 Haitians enter the U.S. amid horrible conditions in the Caribbean country. More than 120,000 Venezuelans, 110,000 Cubans, and over 93,000 Nicaraguans were allowed to enter the U.S. legally under this program before Trump shut it down. Why is Trump actually terminating this parole program? According to the announcement, the parole program does not align with Trump's America First policies. Parolees have overwhelmed CBP at the airports and at the borders, according to Trump. According to the Trump administration, parolees are also taking advantage of public benefits that should be reserved only to U.S. citizens. And they are creating a huge delay in immigration court system that already has a backlog. Now, a lot of parolees who enter the U.S. on this program have filed for asylum, making all cases take even longer. So what happens if the CHNV program ends? Once their parole is revoked or is expired, those on parole lose their legal rights to stay in the U.S. They can't legally work anymore. They become deportable, meaning they could be detained and sent back to their home countries. For many, this means returning to places that are unsafe, right? A lot of people left their home countries, took advantage of this program because they could not stay in their home countries. What should you do? If you are someone you know is affected here, are the steps that you can take right now. The first step, obviously, is to talk to an immigration attorney as soon as possible. You don't have a lot of time. However, you don't want to take a decision while you're panicking. An attorney can tell you if you qualify for any other immigration options, for example, TPS, asylum, adjustment of status. You also want to explore asylum options. If you fear returning to your home country because of persecution, you may actually qualify for asylum, right? So some may still be able to apply even if the deadlines have passed. It really depends on the situation, which is why you want to make sure to touch base with an immigration attorney as quickly as possible. You also want to check to see if you qualify for any family petitions or employment visas. Some parolees may qualify for adjustment of status if they have U.S. citizen family members or employers who are willing to sponsor them to actually adjust their status. You want to stay informed and you want to stay organized. You want to make sure you have copies of all of your immigration documents. Community groups and nonprofits are offering free clinics and information, so make sure to look them up and reach out. Join them, stay in the loop. The fight is still unfolding. What is coming next? So this is not over yet. We really want to watch to see what's going to happen in federal courts. There are lawsuits currently pending. Advocacy groups will likely challenge Trump's decision in court, just like they did during his last administration. You can also seek congressional action. Lawmakers could step in and pass laws to protect people who came in on the parole program, right? But they need to hear from you, the public, and to know exactly what you're looking for. So the call to action here is, if you're affected or you care about someone who is, take action now, get legal help, reach out to your congressional representatives and make your voices heard. Please make sure to sign up and click below and subscribe. Make sure to comment and share what you guys think.